Honor 9X series was first unveiled in China, consisting of two models with different specs, powered by the new 7nm processor high-silicon Kirin 810 and offering the best performance in the budget segment. Moving on from its home ground, Honor announced that this phone will be launched in all of its global markets equipped with Google Mobile Services, GMS, and its pre-installed applications. Unlike China, Honor 9X has been introduced in a single variant in the other countries and features with a 6.59-inch full-view display with FHD Plus resolution, powered by Kirin 710F processor, Kirin 810 in China, supported by 4/6GB RAM and 64 128GB internal storage. For photography, the phone has a triple rear camera consisting of a 48MP f/1.8 main camera plus 8MP f/2.4 ultra-wide-angle camera plus 2MP f/2.4 depth camera and a 16MP f/2.2 pop-up selfie camera. It's packed with a 4000 mAh battery with USB Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. From the software side, it runs EMUI 9.1, Android 9, that'll be upgradable to EMUI 10, Android 10. Honor 9X's design includes a different color scheme and texture that represents the X series. The phone comes in two color options of sapphire blue and midnight black. It is available in these countries and cities: in Asia, Myanmar, Malaysia, Vietnam, Singapore, Philippines; in Europe, Russia, Ukraine, Germany, Netherlands, Spain, Finland, Slovakia, Poland, Serbia, Poland, Bulgaria, United Kingdom, Italy, Greece, France, Belarus, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan; in Middle East and Africa, Egypt, Iraq, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia,